Well, I thought this would be a pretty good showing of the average motor that comes in. This might have been a fuel injection between 1975 and 1979. This thing is completely all frozen up. I mean, it looks like it has lived a long, long, good life. I mean, this baby it's needing some love. And the bad thing is, you only get to see what's on the outside. You don't even see the inside yet. And here's an example of a lot of love. And you only get to see the outside here. But here's a 2095 for the Charity Dune Buggy, which just shows you just the outside, but not the inside of all the work being done to make these motors brought back to life. And this engine case pretty much started like this one. This is a pretty good example of what we do here. Taking an old motor and bringing it back to life. Vintage flat 4. Boom.